Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I finally received my regular Boxycharm for the month of May, and I believe everything else is done. I've done 3 Ipsies, my other Boxycharm, and all of those unboxings are up on my channel. They're very recent videos. I'll also have the videos linked. I talked to you guys in my last video about should I do try-ons, no try-ons, what did you guys think? And a lot of you guys had really good ideas, like trying on at the end of the video, doing a separate try-on. So what I think I'm going to do over the next few days is I'm going to film trying all of my Ipsy products in one video and all of my Boxycharm products in one video. So I've got 2 Boxycharms, 3 Ipsies, and a ton of products to try. So I think I'm going to like just get ready trying all of those products. So I'm really excited to dive in. Today I have on my first look of my Anastasia Narvina Volume 4 palette. Really beautiful. I have not even begun to dive in with the possibilities of the looks you can create, but this is look number 1, and there will be a video with several looks. I think I'm going to do like 3 looks, 1 palette review kind of thing. That's enough chatting. Let's go ahead and get into Boxycharm. As you probably know, $25 a month, you typically get about 4 or 5 full-size products. I typically say 5. I don't think I've really seen a box that has 4 in a really long time. So typically a good assortment. I'm usually pretty happy with Boxycharm, so I'm excited to dive in and see what we got. First thing right on top is by, it's AYAM or something, Beauty Care Dead Sea Minerals Vitamin C Serum Makeup Remover Wipes. Well, not to start off on a negative light, but I can't really say that wipes is something that I want to typically be getting in a subscription box. Like, I don't use makeup wipes to remove my makeup ever, unless maybe I'm like traveling, but even then I take some type of makeup remover. The only thing I really use wipes for is like when I'm doing my makeup, cleaning my hands, wiping off swatches, filming videos, like whatever I need it to do. These are okay. They have Dead Sea Minerals, Vitamin C, as I said. Once again, we don't have a card in here, so I'll put some info on the screen for you guys so you know. But it says they help prevent dark spots while moisturizing and brightening the skin. I don't really think that these would have any bearing on your skincare routine as far as effectiveness, because if you're doing the right way, then you're probably going in with a cleanser after using these wipes. So I don't really think that these are going to do a lot for you. A makeup wipe is literally you're wiping stuff away. Now, as far as like my hand goes, after feeling this on, it feels really nice, but I don't think that many people are going to, well, I should say probably there are a lot of people doing it, but my skincare routine is not like I'm using a wipe and I'm done, or I'm using a wipe and then moisturizing. I'm like using a wipe and then a cleanser, toner, essence, serum, moisturizer, eye cream. Like, there's a lot to it. So I don't know, for some people these might be great. I'm just not really excited about them. As wipes go, they seem fine, they seem nice. Kind of like, this is a brand I don't really know, which is not necessarily a bad thing, but it's a new brand to me, and it's a wipe, so I can't really say I'm excited about this particular product. Well, we got 4 other products, so I'm sure I'm going to find plenty in here that I like. First off, we got the Glam Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask. I already know, I don't remember the retail price of this. I'm thinking around like $45, and that may be on the low end, but I know that this is well over the price of the box. So, I mean, we're already getting a good deal. If you love Glam Glow products, then you'd be happy to receive this, I think. This smells so good too. This smells like a high chew, like the berry ones, but that's what it looks like. It's like a kind of bouncy consistency, if you can see that, and almost poured it out everywhere. It smells really good. I love skincare that has probiotics in it. My skin lately is freaking out. Like, I'm literally having psoriasis on my eyelid, and it's only because I have so much packed on my eye that you can't tell that it's like crusty and dusty. That's a whole nother story. But this sounds really good. It's a 10-minute mask. You can tissue off and smooth in the excess, or you can rinse and pat dry, follow with your normal skincare routine. Okay, interesting. I see these like little bits in it, and I'm wondering, it almost looks like little bits of berry, and I'm wondering if those will actually massage into the skin. I don't know if you'll be able to see. So I'm gonna massage this. Okay, yeah, everything like dissipates. So that feels really nice on the skin. This is probably the one Glam Glow product that I haven't tried. I feel like I've tried almost everything else that they've put out. So I am really excited to have this. I'm almost 100% certain I don't have this and would love to use it. So I'm pretty excited to have that. It's a good item to get. Next, we got something from Daily Concept. This is the Shampoo Bar. So this is nice. It has no plastic. It says this plant-based shampoo bar has everything you need for clean, beautiful hair with no plastic. A simple bar for beautiful hair without filling the ocean or landfills with more plastic bottles. So I've actually thought about using like Lush shampoos. It's not something that I've used before, but I've been thinking about getting into it, and they have like literally things with no packaging whatsoever for body, hair. I didn't know that Daily Concepts did them as well though. I have their gua sha, that like massaging stone for face, and I love it. So, oh, I'm not gonna take this out because it kind of has some shampoo residue, but it looks like that. It's got a little rope, kind of like a soap on a rope, but for your hair. Shampoo on a rope. So you can hang that up. Like I have a little mirror in my shower with little hooks, so this would be nice. You could hang it right there. Whew. It's a little strong of a scent. It reminds me of something I smelled before, like other shampoo. Like it doesn't smell bad. It's kind of like that earthy spa type scent. I don't know if I will use this or I may pass this along to someone, but I am liking the idea of shampoo without bottles. I mean, there's so many things that we use in plastic bottles, so I always try to recycle mine, but it's a really interesting concept, and like I said, I really like the idea, and this is also vegan as well if you're interested. Right, next up, we got something from Pretty Vulgar. So this is the eyeshadow primer. Oh, I didn't even know they had an eyeshadow primer. I like their packaging a lot, so that's what the tube looks like. Okay, this looks like more of a typical kind of old school eyeshadow primer, not like a pigmented one like P. Louise base or Anastasia. It has like this little hint of color, but it looks like it's just going to be, yeah, kind of translucent, not really showing up with color. It's a little tacky. It reminds me of like Shadow Insurance from Too Faced, but maybe a little bit tackier. It is smooth though. So I can't wait to try this out. Like I said, I'll film my Boxycharm products all together. I have good products from my other box too. So I would love to try this as my eyeshadow base and see how we go. I can still smell that berry mask. It smells so good. Okay, so yeah, I'm definitely interested to try that. My hand looks really smooth where I put that, like it would be a great canvas. And I need it right now because this little eye is horrible. And we have one more thing, probably the most exciting thing in the box. This is the Violet Voss Essentials Pro Series eyeshadow palette. Their eyeshadow palettes are pretty affordable. The ones that are smaller than this are like $18. I'm thinking this is the one at maybe like $30 price point. I don't know why I'm guessing. I'll put it up on the screen for you guys, but let me go ahead and open it up. I also just purchased 2 Violet Voss palettes from the Boxy pop-up. They're normally like, I think 45 or 50, and I got them for 15, and they're ones that I've had my eye on. Violet Voss has some really good quality in their shadows as well, so if you're interested, I would recommend checking out some of theirs. There's so many eyeshadow brands that I love, but I feel like Violet Voss is pretty consistent with their quality. So this has a really nice arrangement of colors. There's a little bit of everything. So we've got a little bit of warm tones, we got pink, purple, you've got a gold. Oh, this emerald is catching my eye. Ooh, look at that. I'm always attracted to green eyeshadow. Look at that color. I'll go ahead and swatch a couple others. Let me get a matte one too. I'll swatch that terracotta. So buttery. All right, so there's a few colors. It's like a little vegetable medley. Those look really pretty. Everything looks pigmented. They all feel really nice and buttery and creamy. So yeah, 10 shades in that, and I'm sure they are going to be good quality on the eyes. They've never failed me before. And that black, actually, let me go ahead and swatch that black too, because I love a good pigmented black, even just to like darken up just a little bit to add that. Like I feel like a staple black is a need in your eyeshadow arsenal unless you go for like super soft looks. If you ever want something a little bit dramatic, like a perfect black is a necessity. So just to quickly recap, I'm gonna go ahead and say these are the 2 most exciting products to me for sure. Glam Glow, Violet Voss, they're good brands that I already know and love, and new products that I don't have yet. This month has been really impressive for me because most everything I didn't already own in my collection, and I was interested in trying, which is never happens for me. So to recap, my 2 favorite items, definitely the Violet Voss Essentials palette and the Glam Glow Berry Glow mask. We also got the Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow primer, which as I said, I'm also really interested to try. I think I'm going to like this based off of my first touch and consistency, but we'll definitely test it out. As I said, Shampoo Bar is a really interesting product. I love the minimal packaging idea. I'll probably have to give this a try and just see how it goes, and Zach can always use this. For guys in your life, absolutely, like, get them this. Finally, the item I'm not really that excited about, but I'm not mad at it. As makeup wipes go, these seem actually really nice. So if you're a makeup wipe lover, then this would be a good item to get. I'll definitely be using these up for various necessities, but I probably just won't remove my makeup with them, if that makes sense. So I feel like for $25, I mean, I feel like we got a great deal. Either the palette or the mask would easily go for $25 or way more. So I feel like this box is a total win. Yeah, I can't wait to try everything out. Be sure sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell as well. That way you can see all my other unboxings if you like unboxings, and that way you get notified when I upload my video trying out all my Ipsy products and all my Boxycharm products. And that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing, and I will be seeing you guys really soon in my next video. Bye guys!